Hey, this is Doug from DOUGandNIKI here in the DOUGandNIKI Indoor Studios, where I have in my hand a cool new beginner drone from BEZGAR. This is the HQ051, doesn't really matter. It's their new beginner drone. So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna unbox it, tell you about some of its features, that kind of stuff. I'm gonna show you some of the fun and the stunts and all that kind of stuff. And then at the end, I'm gonna come back, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what my actual experience was with it and what I thought of it beyond what it says on the box. So, okay, while we take it out, let's talk about some of its features. This is a 2.4 gigahertz drone, which means it's gonna have a nice solid connection. You're gonna be able to do all the stunts and action stuff you want. This is a perfect beginner's drone because this is fully ducted. Let me show you the drone itself and then we'll get to some of the other side stuff. How cool looking is this drone? Is that thing cool or what? Look at this. So not only is it fully ducted, but it has cool LEDs, which we're gonna take it out at night and fly it so you can see what it really looks like. It does full 3D flips. So 3D flips in English means it will go this way, forward flip, or it will go this way, sideways flip, and those flips are so cool. So another thing that you will want to know about it, so it comes with a charger and an extra battery. So it comes with 2 batteries. These batteries are supposed to be good for 16 minutes. In my review, I'll let you know a little bit what my experience was. Typically, the more you sit there and do flip after flip after flip, the more batteries you're gonna use. If you just cruise around, it'll probably go for 16 minutes. It also comes with an extra set of blades and a screwdriver to install those if you should need to. Actually, what else could you do with that screwdriver? I guess it's mostly for the blades. Feel like there's, oh, I know what the screwdriver is gonna be for. Yep. Screwdriver is for the door on the batteries, and I personally hate that, but it makes a lot of sense, especially when these are for kids and they're beginner drones. You don't want them getting into the batteries or the batteries falling out, that kind of stuff. A little safety there seems to make a lot of sense. I am down with that. So speaking of this controller, so here you can see what it looks like. You got your normal directional controls. You got some controls for auto up, auto down, your 3D flips, and I believe these are to trim it, which would be really cool. I should have read the instructions first, but again, I'll talk to you about it when we use it. All cool, so I think there's only one thing left to do. I'm gonna take this, charge up 2 sets of batteries, and then we'll fly it and see how it goes. All right, let's go do that. Okay, how fun is this? Check this thing out. This is easily, let me bring it to you. There it is. This is my favorite inside beginner toy drone to date. This thing is so fun. It is ridiculous. Oh, loosen it a little bit. There it is. So easy to control. You could even do it while shooting a video. So check out the lights. I love the lights. The lights are great. How cool is this thing? Okay, so if there was a way for me to give this 7 out of 7 on the Doug score, I would, but seeing as the Doug score only goes to 5, I gotta give this an absolute 7 out of 5 because this thing is awesome. Can't go wrong with this. I hope that's helpful. We'll see you next time. Good boy, Kona. Really good boy.